The front cam is part of your recip saw's blade clamp assembly. It attaches to the cam collar to open the blade clamp. Over time, the front cam can wear, causing it to slip and not engage with the cam collar. It could be lost if the retaining ring comes loose. Replacing the front cam is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, chicken mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing one half of the housing. There's a sticker on the housing that you'll need to slice with a knife. Next, I'll remove the clip inside the battery location that holds the two halves together. I'll use a pick to pry the clip up and pull it away from the housing. With the clip removed, now I can separate the two halves of the housing. Now I'll lift the gearbox and motor assembly away from the housing and remove the two screws that connect the motor to the gearbox. With the screws removed, I can separate the motor. Now remove the shoe. Now I can remove the retaining ring from the front of the clamp. It's a split style retaining ring, so I'll use a pick to lift the retaining ring away from the groove. Once I have the pick between the layers of the retaining ring, I'll rotate it around, which will wind the retaining ring off of the spindle. Now I can remove the front cam. Now I can install the new front cam. You'll notice two tabs on the front cam. I need to align those tabs with the notches on the cam collar. Once everything's back in place, I'll secure it with the retaining ring. Now reconnect the gearbox to the motor and secure it with the screws. Next, I'll reinstall the shoe. And now I can place the motor assembly back into the housing. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the housing. I'll secure the housing with the screws. The three short screws go in the rear of the housing. The screws are very small, so you want to be careful that you don't strip them out. And last, I'll secure the rear of the housing with the metal clip. And that's all it takes to install a new front cam on your recip saw. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.